Tyler?
Happy gay month, because you know you gay and stuff.
Okay, thank you.
He got your gay balloon because it got all the colors because it's gay.
Okay.
And I got Skittles because it got a rainbow on it.
Okay.
And I got the cookie cake. It's a be who you are for your pride.
What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's Shannon back in the cut, and we're back with another banger. Today's video is going to be a cute little hairstyle video where I show you a couple hairstyles that you can do. The first hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down with 2 buns. All you're gonna need to do is divide your head up into 3 parts. One line is gonna be going horizontally across your head, and then one line is going to be going vertically across your head, but only halfway. There you get the 2 sections in front of your head. Tie it up. You're just going to slick up the hair. Yeah, from there you slick them into ponytails, and you can do the 2 buns if you want to, or if your hair is long enough, you just leave it out. But I also just prefer the buns because it just makes it more clean. If you notice in some of the hairstyles I'm not doing my edges, it's just because some of these days I was just staying at home, so I didn't want to do too much. Feel free to do edges though. 10 out of 10, always recommend. From here, I'm going to start by using the Miel curl cream, and I'm just going to rub that throughout my whole head. Make sure that your hair is lathered with water first, so that way the curl cream can apply easier and you won't have as much problems. But here is the finished look. The second hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down with 2 curly pieces out. You guys, I love me a good half up, half down. It just makes me want to bust my
What?
In all seriousness though, I love a good half up down. Looks like you're putting in work in your hairstyle without actually having to put in work. It's like, it's classic and effortless. I'm just gonna split your hair into 2, put the top half of your hair into a ponytail, and then leave out a couple curly pieces for the hairstyles. It should look like that. To define your curls, I would use the Miel curl cream, or I'll do the Carol's Daughter. And you can see my funky duty ass gel falling over the floor. Next hairstyle is gonna be an afro. JK, I know you don't want to hear that. You hair influencers be putting your natural afro as a hairstyle and be like, you need to embrace your curly hair. Girl, why do you think I'm doing curly hairstyles? Excuse me. But let's get into it. So you're gonna want to take the front part of your hair and divide it into 6 sections. Then you're gonna want to take those 6 sections and divide it into 12 sections. The front squares, you tie them diagonally to the counterpart. You see that? Yeah, you see that. That's real cute if you do it nicely. I did it real Duke and balls, real half-ass, okay? The next body hairstyle is going to be 2 braids, half up, half down. Now you're just gonna wanna French braid these down to the side, okay? And then split your hair into half and put the braids inside the top half of your hair and then put it in a ponytail. And that's the look. Then you use your curl cream, define your edges, all that good stuff. But yeah. The next hairstyle is going to be a simple top knot bun or like puff, but I'm just leaving some curly pieces out just to keep it a little more entertaining. And I also kept the side curls out, you know. Let's keep the puff interesting, guys. Let's not leave it boring, y'all. Alrighty, and now the last hairstyle of the day is gonna be another half up, half down. I'm a half up, half down warrior. Can't tell me nothing. For this one, it's gonna be 2 French braids into 2 buns. Half up, half down. Yes, I really use my brain power for this hairstyle. Thank you. Subscribe. Hey yo, Hey yo, I just want to give a proper outro to this video, and also I'm trying to make this video 10 minutes long because it's so short. I thought doing a hairstyle video would be longer, but this actually is pretty short. It's a pretty short video. If you like this video, comment down below. Okay, y'all be liking, but y'all don't be commenting. Let's have a conversation in my comment section. Okay. Also, we are almost at 600 subscribers, which is so incredibly unbelievable. I love you guys so much. Thank you to all the new viewers. Thank you for the people that's literally been here since I was a fetus. You're a real one. Okay, you're a real one. More content, more videos coming soon. Please comment down below what videos you want to see of me, because I will literally do it. I blog, film, post every single day. And if I don't post, it's because I'm going through a mental illness. Yes, ma'am. Tragic. Or I'm just being so fucking lazy. But yeah, a good 4 out of 10 times, I'm doing something so busy that I can't post on YouTube. And when I'm not posting on YouTube for like a week on straight, hit me in my DMs and tell me I need to get back to the fields. Okay? I'm not gonna hold you. After this video, after I post this video, I'm probably gonna be on a hiatus. Just due to the fact that I'm in summer school. I have a bunch of videos, and I also have no storage also. Did I also tell you that I'm in summer school? Yeah, I want to kill myself. But it's not for credit recovery. It's for credit advancement, yeah. I'm not a dumb bitch. Never that. But yeah, that's pretty much the life update for today. If you're new here, please help me make some money. I'm just kidding. Stay for the ride. I'm a good person, I swear. And yeah, if you want more hairstyle videos, literally just let me know. I will do more different hairstyles, I swear. I just didn't know what to do. Like, the curly hair community is so oversaturated. Like, you can literally find my video by doing a simple little search. Like, I did not need to make this video. But one of y'all did ask though. One of y'all did ask for a tutorial on one of the hair videos. So I obliged. I gave you all the content. See you tomorrow.